Hello students, this is Priyanka Sanyal. So, I will be teaching you Social Science for Class 6 for the session 2021. First of all, we will discuss about our split up syllabus for Social Science. So, in pre-midterm, the chapters which you are having is, so in history we will do from the Milestone book chapter 1, Understanding Our Past, chapter 2, The Earliest Societies, and the interrelated chapter from NCERT will be chapter 1, What, Where, How and When. From civics, from the Milestone book, we will be doing chapter 1, Understanding Diversity, chapter 2, Diversity, Discrimination and Equality. From the NCERT, the interrelated chapters which we will do is chapter 1, Understanding Diversity, chapter 2, Diversity and Discrimination. From geography, from Milestone, we will be doing chapter 1, Our Earth in the Universe, chapter 2, Globes and Maps. And the interrelated chapter which we will be doing from NCERT is chapter 1, Earth in the Solar System. Now let us move to the midterm. The chapters which we will have or which we will study in the midterm are: in history, from Milestone book, chapter 3, The First Farmers and Herders, chapter 4, The First Cities. The interrelated chapter from NCERT which we will do is chapter 3, In the Earliest Cities. From civics, from the Milestone book, we will be doing chapter 3, Government, chapter 4, Panchayati Raj. The interrelated chapter from NCERT will be chapter 3, What is Government, chapter 5, Panchayati Raj. From geography, from the Milestone book, we will be doing chapter 3, Latitudes and Longitudes, chapter 4, Rotation and Revolution. From the NCERT book, we will be doing the interrelated chapters, that is chapter 2, Globe, Latitudes and Longitudes, chapter 3, Motion of the Earth. Now let us move to the post midterm. The chapters which we will have in our post midterm are: from history, from the Milestone book, chapter 8, The First Empire, chapter 9, Life in Towns and Villages. From the NCERT book, we will be having the interrelated chapter which is chapter 5, Kingdoms, Kings and an Early Republic, chapter 8, Vital Villages, Thriving Towns. From civics, from the Milestone book, we will be having chapter 5, Administration in our villages, chapter 6, Administration in the city. The interrelated chapters will be chapter 6, Rural Administration, chapter 7, Urban Administration. From geography, we will be having from the Milestone book, chapter 6, Major Relief Features of the Earth, chapter 7, Our Country, India. From the NCERT book, the interrelated chapters will be chapter 6, Major Landforms of the Earth, chapter 7, Our Country, India. The next will be your annual term, that is the final term. So the chapters which we will do in our annual term are: from history, Milestone book, will be Chapter 11, New Empires, Chapter 12, Culture and Science. And the interrelated chapters will be from NCERT, that is Chapter 10, New Empires and Kingdoms, Chapter 11, Buildings, Paintings and Books. From civics, we will be doing from the Milestone book, Chapter 7, Rural Livelihood, Chapter 8, Urban Livelihood. From NCERT, the interrelated chapters will be Chapter 8, Rural Livelihood, and Chapter 9, Urban Livelihood. From Geography, the Milestone book, we will be doing Chapter 8, India, Climate, Chapter 7, India, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. From NCERT book, the interrelated chapter will be Chapter 8, India, Climate, Vegetation and Wildlife. So students, that's all for your split up syllabus for the session 2021 for class 6 social science. Thank you students.